Huawei recently launched the FreeBuds 3i earphones, and in this video we are going to do a quick comparison of FreeBuds 3i with FreeBuds 3. We will talk about which earphone is better in what aspect and which one you should buy depending on your requirements. So let's start it. In terms of design, FreeBuds 3i is an in-ear earphone and it comes with a cone-shaped design with a nozzle, while FreeBuds 3 comes with an open-fit design, so it is more comfortable. Even if you use it for hours, you will not feel any discomfort or pain. While the design of FreeBuds 3i provides better grip, especially if you are a physically active person, and due to the nozzle, even if you do not use the ANC feature, you will get passive noise cancellation on FreeBuds 3i. The charging case designs of FreeBuds 3i and FreeBuds 3 are also different, and it's totally up to you that which design you like more. In terms of functionality, the case of FreeBuds 3 comes with wireless charging capability, but this feature is not available on FreeBuds 3i. So if you are looking for an earphone that comes with a wireless charging capable case, then FreeBuds 3 is a better option for you compared to FreeBuds 3i. Talking about the audio quality, FreeBuds 3 comes with 14mm driver and a dedicated bass tube. Because of that, FreeBuds 3 is better in terms of audio output, especially when it comes to loudness and the amount of bass. While FreeBuds 3i comes with 10mm driver, and as I have mentioned in the detailed review of FreeBuds 3i, the amount of bass is a bit low, but in terms of active noise cancellation, performance of FreeBuds 3i is better compared to FreeBuds 3, and you can give the credit to the in-ear cone-shaped design of FreeBuds 3i and the nozzle that provides the passive noise cancellation. FreeBuds 3i also comes with an inward microphone that reduces the noise coming from inside your ear. So when it comes to audio quality, loudness and amount of bass, Huawei FreeBuds 3 is a better earphone, but when it comes to noise cancellation, FreeBuds 3i is a better earphone. In terms of battery life, Huawei FreeBuds 3 is slightly better as it provides nearly 4 hours of battery life in single charge, and the case is capable of charging it for 20 hours more. While FreeBuds 3i provides nearly 3.5 hours of battery life, and the charging case can charge the earphones for 14 hours more. And for the better battery life of FreeBuds 3, you can give the credit to the Bluetooth 5.1 and the Kirin A1 chipset used in this, while FreeBuds 3i comes with Bluetooth 5 and the Kirin A1 chipset is not used in FreeBuds 3i. Because of the Kirin A1 chipset, FreeBuds 3 comes with dual-channel synchronous wireless transmission feature. Because of that, you will not feel any lag in audio while listening music or playing game using the FreeBuds 3. But this feature is not available on FreeBuds 3i, and there is nearly 1 second of delay in the audio, so the latency is high, and because of that the gaming experience won't be that great. So if you are a gamer, Huawei FreeBuds 3 is a better earphone compared to FreeBuds 3i for you. And because of the better hardware, FreeBuds 3 is also faster and better when it comes to pairing and connectivity. And talking about the price, Huawei FreeBuds 3 is nearly 50% more expensive compared to FreeBuds 3i because of the advanced hardware it uses in the earphone. So both Huawei FreeBuds 3 and FreeBuds 3i are great earphones with their own pros and cons. FreeBuds 3 comes with open-fit design, the audio output is a bit better, it is louder, and the amount of bass is more as well. The battery life of FreeBuds 3 is more as well compared to FreeBuds 3i, and it provides faster pairing and better connectivity compared to FreeBuds 3i. And the case of FreeBuds 3 comes with wireless charging capability as well, while FreeBuds 3i comes with in-ear design and a nozzle with silicone tips that provide better grip, passive noise cancellation, and the noise cancellation overall itself is better compared to FreeBuds 3. The amount of bass in the audio output is less as well, and the latency is way high compared to FreeBuds 3. The good part is that it is quite inexpensive compared to FreeBuds 3 as well. So if you are looking for an earphone with great noise cancellation without spending too much money, then go with Huawei FreeBuds 3i. And if you are looking for an earphone with better audio output, low latency and wireless charging capable case, then go with FreeBuds 3. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon as well to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.